Tools like ChatGPT can feel like pure magic. You type a few words and comes a whole essay, a poem, or a piece of code. So what's really going on inside? Today I will show you in plain and simple language. And here's the big secret up front. Underneath all the magic, an LLM is really just a giant word prediction machine. Let me show you exactly what that means. When people see first, they usually guess one of the two things. Maybe there's a tiny thinking brain inside, something that truly understand like a person, or maybe it's a giant database, a huge library where it just looks the answer up. Both feel right, but both are wrong. The answer is actually simpler and honestly a bit stranger. So let's open it up and see. Here's the heart of it. You know how your phone guesses your next word while you type, and LLM does the exact same thing. It autocomplete, just far more powerful. Look at this. The cat sat on the dash dash dash. What comes next? Your brain instantly says Matt. The AI does the same. It lines up the words that could fit and it leans towards the best one. That simple move, guessing the next word, is the one trick behind everything it does. So, what does LLM mean? LLM stands for Large Language Model. Three easy words: large because it was trained on a huge amount of text, language because it works with words, not numbers, and model, which just means a pattern learner that makes prediction. Put it together, it's a program that learned the pattern of language by reading a lot so it can guess what words come next. Now, how does it learn all that? Let's look. Step one is learning. Before it can help anyone, the model does a huge amount of reading, and I mean huge. It studies books, websites, news articles, and countless conversations. Basically, a giant slice of the internet. It's like a student who reads millions of pages, soaking up how people write and explain things. This big one time period of studying has a name. We call it training. But what is it actually doing while it reads? It is playing a game, and it is surprisingly simple game. Take a sentence like the sun rises in blank. First, it hides the next word from itself. Then it guesses what that word should be. Then it checks, it peeks at the real word, which is east. And if it goes wrong, it adjusts itself a tiny bit to do better next time. Hide, guess, check, adjust on its own. That's nothing special, but it plays this game billions and billions of times, and that endless practice is what makes it good. Now, here's the idea that makes it all click. So, stay with me. The AI does not save a copy of everything it reads. It's not keeping the whole internet in a drawer, and it's not looking answers up in a table. Instead, it learns pattern, how words tend to fit together, the flow of grammar, tone, and style, and how ideas connect. And that's the beautiful part because it learned patterns instead of memorizing. It can write brand new sentences it has never seen before. So, where do these patterns actually live? Picture a giant sound mixing board, the kind with rows and rows of little sliders. Inside the model, there are millions, often billions of tiny dials just like this. Their real name is parameter, but just think dials. Every time it plays that guessing game during training, it nudges these dials a tiny bit up or down to guess a little better. And once the training is done, the final setting of all those dials is basically everything the model has learned. That's its knowledge, a huge pile of finely tuned dials. Okay, now so you ask it a real question like, why is the sky blue? This is the step two, answering, and it builds the reply one word at a time. It predicts the first word because, then it adds that word, reads the whole thing again, and predicts the next sunlight. Then again and again, word by word, the answer grows. Here's the surprising bit, it never plans the full sentence in advance. It is simply choosing the next word over and over until the reply is finished. But it doesn't just know the one giant right word. For each step, it scores the choices by how likely they are. Take the sky is dash, it might give blue 62% chance, gray 14, or let's say clear a 10, and so on. Then it usually picks a likely one, here blue, and there's a neat little control called temperature. Turn it low and the AI plays it safe and predictable. Turn it up and it gets more creative and surprising. Same machine, just a different mood. Now, this one idea explains why AI sometimes get things wrong. Remember, it's chasing words that sound right, not words that are true. So if a made up answer fits the pattern nicely, it can say it with total confidence and still be wrong. People call that a hallucination. Two more things to keep in mind. Its knowledge is frozen at its training time, so it has not seen anything newer, and on its own it can't check the internet. That, by the way, is exactly we add tools and RAG to give it real and life facts. Let's take a quick recap. So let's put it all together in 4 simple steps. 1, it reads a giant pile of text. 2, it learns the patterns of language stored as those tuned dials. 3, for any text, it predicts the most likely next word. And 4, it repeats that one word at a time to build your whole answer. Read, learn, predict, repeat. That's an LLM start to finish. Now let's take the takeaway from this video. An LLM doesn't really know things the way we do. It predicts the next word very well. Once that clicks, AI stops feeling like magic and start making sense. And you will understand both its amazing powers and its funny mistakes. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which AI idea should I explain next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.